Happiness is enjoying the simple things in life, such as a homemade chicken and Napa cabbage stir-fried rice. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by cooking the rice. Watch 400 grams of chopped rice. Repeat the operation twice. Put them in the rice cooker. Add 40 centiliters of water. And cook them. Cut the flesh with 3 chicken thighs into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Take 4 Napa cabbage leaves. Wash them. Cut them into small pieces. Chop 3 garlic cloves. Mince 2 green onions. Cut 1 tomato into chunks. The rice is cooked. Separate the grains. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to golden, add the chicken pieces. Spread them out. Let grill for 1 minute. Flip them over and leave another 1 minute. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the Napa cabbage, the tomato, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir from time to time for 6 minutes. The Napa cabbage will make water. Don't put the lid on to let some of the juice evaporate. add the rice. Regularly stir for 2 minutes. The rice will absorb all the juice. Put the green onion, briefly stir and turn off the heat. Serve a bowl of stir-fry rice for each guest. Bon appétit! Everyone loves it. Some would say that the bowl ends too quickly. The short rice gives a slightly firm texture. The Napa cabbage gives a delicious flavor. And the tomato has a bit of acidity. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.